Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA NET paper first. Chapter, in fact, subject हमने लिया हुआ है Teaching Aptitude, specifically Interest in Profession. Yes, Teaching Aptitude में जो कि एक important subject है UGC के NET के जनरल पेपर या पेपर फर्स्ट में, जिसमें से कि काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। यहाँ पर टॉपिक है इंटरेस्ट इन प्रोफेशन, यानी प्रोफेशन में कितना इंटरेस्ट है। ऑब्वियसली टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में से संबंधित क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर इंक्लूड किए हुए हैं। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन टीचिंग इफ नथिंग हैज बीन लर्न, नथिंग हैज बीन ए taught, B studied, C examined, D assigned. So your correct option is taught. 2. When a student can no longer recall material he had learned some time back, one can assume that A. He had never learned it, B. He repressed it, C. It was lost as a result of the interference of subsequent learnings, or D. The neural connections involved faded as a result of disuse. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर तुलनात्मक रूप से देखें तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी है। इट वॉज लॉस्ट एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ द इंटरफेरेंस ऑफ सब्सिक्वेंट लर्निंग्स। व्यूअर्स, यहाँ पर हम पहले ही आपको बता दें जिससे कि आपको पढ़ने में समझने में भी आसानी होगी, सुनने में भी आसानी होगी। एंड द एंटायर वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल विल एक्ट एज रेडी रेकनर फॉर यू। हर एक क्वेश्चन में हमने जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है उसको हाईलाइट कर रखे हैं, तो आप डायरेक्ट करेक्ट ऑप्शंस पर भी जा सकते हैं। 3. Which of the following is least acceptable learning? Maybe A. Be acquired without intent, B. Occur independently of past experience, C. Be detrimental to the individual, or D. Take place without operation of movies and goals. Correct option is D. Take place without operation of movies and goals. 4. Which of the following would least quality as an essential aspect of the process of learning? A. Adequate readiness, B. Response to stimulation, C. Insight into means and relationship, or D. The reinforcement of response. The correct option is C. Insight into means and relationship. 5. As a teacher, we should think of our work in terms of, correct option is D, child growth and development. 6. The modern consensus regarding the sending of disciplinary cases to the principal's office is that A. It should be used only when other means have failed, B. It is generally best used for first offense to show that nonsense will not be tolerated, C. It is a sign of poor discipline, or D. It is generally advisable since the principal is ultimately responsible for the discipline in school. So here correct option is A. It should be used only when other means have failed. 7. The key to effective classroom discipline lies in A. Seeking the cause of misbehavior and taking appropriate action, B. Making an example of the leaders of any classroom mischief, C. Inspiring respect by remaining cold and aloof to pupils in and out of the classroom, or D. Providing a program with inbuilt means for the satisfaction of pupils' needs. So correct option is D. 8. Which of the following best reflects democracy in the classroom? So here correct option is C. Allowing the class to decide the curricular experiences of the classroom. 9. A teacher today is least expected to serve as, correct option is C, an encyclopedia of knowledge. 10. Verbal guidance is least effective in the learning of A. Attitudes, B. Concepts, C. Facts, D. Skills. Correct option is D. Skills. 11. Learning implies something in the individual. A. Acquired by, B. Occurring to, C. Occurring within, or D. Absorbed by. So a correct option is C, occurring with it. 12. Secondary school teaching in the past held more prestige than elementary education because A. The subject matter was at a higher level of difficulty. B. Secondary teachers usually had a higher level of training. C. Pay schedules generally were higher for secondary school teaching. Or D. All of the above. So the correct option is D. All of the above. 30. With which of the following aspects of learning are the teachers and psychologists most directly concerned? A. The products of learning. B. The process of learning. C. The development of habits. D. The avoidance of errors. Correct option is B. The process of learning. 14. Which of the following is the best statement of the relationships of intelligence to delinquency? A. Dull children are most likely to be apprehended and appear to be more often delinquent. B. Dull children appear more frequently delinquent because they tend to come from slum areas where strict law enforcement prevails. C. Delinquency is most prevalent at both extremes of the intellectual scale, the gifted and idiot end of the imbeciles. D. Delinquency is not a product of intelligence as much as of other factors. So यहाँ अगर आप तुलनात्मक रूप से देखें, so correct option is B. 15. The ground rules for the classroom should be established by the A. Principal, B. Pupils, C. Pupils and teachers, or D. Teachers. Correct option is C. Pupils and teachers. 16. The best learning procedure in teaching children is to have them, correct option is D, perform the activity themselves. 17. The greatest weakness of current IQ test is that, correct option is B, they are not equally fair to persons of different backgrounds. 18. The most effective approach for social workers to follow in dealing with groups of delinquent boys is probably, correct option is B, to concentrate on winning them as friends before attempting to reform them. 19. According to state and national codes, it would not be unethical for teachers to, correct option is D, refuse to sign a contract which displeased them. 20. Research has shown that the percentage of the total study time which could profitably be devoted to recitation as opposed to rereading could be as high as A. 20%, B. 40%, C. 60%, or D. 80%. So here correct option is D. 80%. 20. Provisions for special education of retarded and handicapped children is usually financed by A. Local funds with the use of state aid, B. Special state fund, C. Local funds with the special state aid, or D. Local and state funds with special assessment to be paid by parent or charitable organizations. So here correct option is C. Local funds with special state aid. 22. In practice at the secondary level, the most common provision for individual difference is, correct option is D, different expectations from students. 23. After subsiding a disturbance in the classroom, the teacher's main concern should be A. To punish all offenders and thereby therefore shall the recurrence of unacceptable behavior. B. To know the cause of misbehavior. Or C. To provide closer supervision as a means of preventing the recurrence of the incident, to reduce the demands made upon the individuals involved as a means of reducing tension. Or D. To enlist group censor as a means of curbing future misbehavior. So here correct option is B. To know the cause of the misbehavior. 24. The best statement of the position of the teacher in the classroom is that he is the director of the group. Correct option is 25. Which of the following statements concerning learning is the least acceptable? So here correct option is D. Learning represents progressive change in behavior. 26. The most important task in teaching is correct option is B. Directing pupils in development of experiences. 27. Language is best thought of as correct option is C. A nomenclature for cataloging experience. 28. Probably the most effective way of learning a complex and complicated skill is C. Correct option is C. To practice the whole skill with separate attention to parts where indicated. 29. Which of the following is not a product of learning? A. Attitudes. B. Concepts. C. Knowledge. D. Maturation. So here correct option is D. Maturation. Because maturation के लिए आप किसी भी अवस्था में कहीं पर भी हों, बिकॉज मैच्योरेशन एक फिजिकल प्रोसेस है, तो वट एवर लेवल ऑफ मैच्योरेशन, in fact it is a mental process also, but it is not much a subject of learning, specifically physical maturation. 30. Rama, a bright pupil, is openly impatient of the errors and slowness of other students in the class and wishes to answer much more than his share of questions. His teacher should A. Ask him only his share and those quite hard questions. B. Allow him to answer as many questions as he wants in order to expedite classwork. C. Tell him privately before class that he is behaving improperly. Or D. Make him realize that he is not so smart by asking him difficult questions that he cannot answer. So correct option is D here. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.